I do not come to judge, but to heal. I have not come to judge, but to heal. Consider the lilies of the field, how they grow. They toil not, neither do they spin.
You spread lies and undermine the faith!
Yet I speak only truth and love. Why are you afraid?
He defies the law!
Put him to death!
Your time is up, false prophet.
Be not afraid, little one. Mend your scale.
Purity lies not in form, but in a heart that knows how to love.
The love of God does not just save humankind. It awakens the soul in every living creature.